Hello everyone, my name is Hozhi. I'm a graphic designer and today I will show you how to make Eve's 3D character in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin. First of all, we must draw 2D Eve. Click on Ellipse tool on toolbar and click on screen 190 and 190 high. Move anchor points and change shape. Add the stroke, black, and Ctrl C and Ctrl Shift V for the face and move anchor points. Follow my drawing. Select pen tool from toolbar and draw body. Follow my drawing. I must change corner radius and it's okay. Click on rectangle tool, draw hand and change corner radius. Select anchor point tool and change curves hands. Move position. I add orange layer on background. Open 3D and material from window menu. Select body and change color to white. Click on inflate and active live preview. Switch preset to isometric left. Inflate both sides. Okay, material. Follow my options. And go to our lighting, intensity. Follow my options. Turn on shadow and switch to below object. Next object is head and fill it with white color. Click on inflate and active render preview and switch to isometric left. Follow my options. Click on inflate both sides. Right click on object and change arrange to bring to front. Roughness 0.57 and metallic 0.15. Lighting intensity is 176. Follow my options. It's okay. Maybe I change height to 9. Make 3D face. Fill it with black color. Click on inflate and active live preview. Follow my options. Change volume to 29. Switch preset to isometric left. Move face on head. Right click on a screen and change arrange bring to front. Roughness 0 and metallic 0.9. Lighting. Follow my options. Turn on shadows and change shadow bounce to 85%. Fill color
hands to white and move on body. Click on inflate and active live preview. Switch preset to isometric left. Check the inflate both sides. I want to change depth to 75 and move hand on body. Change roughness to 0.57 and metallic to 0.15. Follow my options. For another hand, hold Alt key and click and drag to other side. Right click on a screen and change transform, reflect and vertical. Click OK. Right click on object and change arrange to send to back. Now let's draw eyes. Click on pen tool and follow my drawing. Right click on object and change arrange bring to front and customize size and rotate. Click on inflate and active live preview. Change preset to isometric left and move eye. Hold Alt key and click and drag eye. Right click on object, transform, reflect vertical and change position. Let's make shadows. Ellipse tool and gradients. Move the handles. Move the sliders to smoother. And it's better. Opacity 0. And move it under head. Change size. Change its shape to oval. And bring shadow to back. Let's draw battery lights. Click on ellipse tool and gradient. Change color to green and move it. Change blend mode to soft light. Yes, it's okay. Change size. Hold Alt key and click and drag gradient for another light and another copy and change color to red for heart. And change size and make it bigger. Our design is finished. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, comment it. Thanks for watching.